Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I am going to explore one other attar from Swiss Arabian that is called Rakaan. Rakaan is, I think mostly it would be for men. So let's see if it is going to evolve like a nice attar or not. These attars are, I think most of the attars from Swiss Arabian, they are like affordable kind of attars. Some of them are really good. I have this whole series you can watch where I have described all the different attars and scents or perfumes from Swiss Arabian. So let's explore this Rakaan. This is the oil version, CPO, not the Rakaan perfume. Okay, so let's apply it on my wrist. So Rakaan, very fruity, sparkling, lemony fruit. It is kind of you are smelling some kind of lemon toffee or candy. It reminds me some of the soaps I have used which have lemon and orange zest kind of feel. Overall a nice lemon kind of fruitiness. Some spiciness is there. Like some light pepper and creaminess is there. So nice refreshing scent and nothing very special. Overall reminds me some of the soaps, so I would rate it like maybe from scent profile 5 out of 10, and longevity I think it would last like 3 to 4 hours maximum, I think. So I would rate it like 5 out of 10 for longevity, and let's see if it evolves a bit more. Fruitiness, lemon, lemon kind of fruitiness, sweet lemon, it's kind of that. Then we have some creaminess and some spiciness there. Maybe some florals, but I am getting some kind of floral maybe, or some chemical that is really getting into my head. So this is kind of yes, some woodiness in the background, amber or woodiness. Now it is getting a bit more prominent. I think it has been moved to the heart or base. Light woodiness or amberiness in the background. So this is all. This is what Rakaan is. Refreshing lemon zest, sweet lemon candy kind of feel in the start. Then it has some woodiness or amberiness in the background just to round it off. Nothing very special. It has some chemical vibe which I am detecting and having some headache. I already am having a headache, so I cannot make this video too long. 5 or 4 out of 10 for the scent profile, and longevity I think it would be no average or maybe 3 hours maximum. It doesn't seem to be very powerful. Yeah, it is very typical kind of scent that is reminding me some of the perfume, some of the soaps, not soapy, but some soaps they have this lemon kind of vibe. And that is all. This is my review about Rakaan from Swiss Arabian and Attar oil. You might enjoy it. I didn't like it much. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.